Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Priyanka. How are you all? I hope you guys are safe and sound. So today's video is a very requesting video because I'm getting lots of DMs and messages in Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp. So regarding how to become a cabin crew, related to cabin crew, and what all are the criteria requirement to become a cabin crew. So I thought, why not making a video on this? So yeah, without wasting any time, let's just get to the video. First is your age. Age should be between 18 to 27. If you're applying for a domestic airline, so you need to be 18 plus, and if you're applying for an international, then you need to be 21 plus. After 27, they don't hire any candidates. So yes, the age should be between 18 to 27. So next is your height, and it depends upon company to company, but then minimum height for girls is 155 centimeter and for boys is 170 centimeter. That is the minimum height for both girls and boys. So next is the education qualification. So for domestic, after class 12 you can definitely go for interview, and for international you need to be graduate. So graduation के बाद ही आप apply कर सकते हो for international airline. So next is your marital status, and for fresher you need to be single, I mean unmarried, and if somebody is having experience of some other airline, I mean 2 to 3 years of experience of some other airline, and now he or she is joining some different airline after having experience of 2 to 3, and in that case if he or she is married तो वो चलेगा. But then if you are a fresher and joining some airline for the first time, then you need to be single, I mean unmarried. So next is your documents. So what all documents you required for interview. So first and foremost is your passport. You need to have a passport. Before that you can apply for an interview, but then you need to have a passport, because if you got selected और आपने crack कर लिया interview and you don't have a passport, तो आपको further wait करना पड़ेगा for your passport. So better apply for a passport and then go for an interview. Next is your Aadhaar card, your PAN card, your voter card, and 10 plus 2 certificates. All certificates that to be an original one you need to have, and along with that you need to have 2 small size photograph. That should be, I mean passport size photograph, that should be in formal, complete formal, and 2 full length photograph, and that should also be in formal attire. Like you should fully dressed up like a cabin crew, जैसे हम लोग एकदम full formals में रहते हैं वैसा. And if you want, I will somewhere mention the link in the description box as well in the top, because मैंने already my previous video is all about this thing. So yeah, please go and check it out, the dress code over there. Yes, these all documents. So next is your BMI. BMI is body mass index. So generally all company maintain this BMI range between 18 to 22. So your BMI should be between 18 to 22. The language, you need to know 2 languages, that is your Hindi and English most importantly, and you need to be very fluent in these 2 languages, and because generally we use these 2 languages to communicate with the passengers. So yeah, you need to have a good grip in these 2 languages. And apart from that, if you know some other local language like Bengali, Tamil, Assamese, so it will be a plus point, but then you need to know these 2 language before going for. So last but not the least is your experience, and if you have any experience with any of the company, if you have worked with, and related to your hospitality, tourism, or anything, if you have experience, then please do mention it in your CV, I mean resume, or when you are giving your introduction, then please do tell your experience, because that will be your plus point. And if you're a fresher, then don't worry, because generally fresher we don't have any experience, so don't worry about that. But if you are experienced, and if you work with some other thing, other company, so definitely mention your experience in your CV. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video will help you, and this video is little informative, and if you like it, then please give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. And for the dress code, I will mention the link in the description box, because my previous video is all about this thing. So please go and check it out, and if you have any other questions, then do let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely give you the reply on that. And if you want me to make videos on some different content, then do let me know in the comment section below as well. Till then, take care, bye bye, stay safe.